Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can bookmark items or store them in your Asana workspace, for example, to make them accessible directly as bookmarked items here in the left panel inside your workspace and to get better access to it. It is very simple, guys. So what you want to do is head over to your Asana account, log into it and select the workspace in the top right corner by clicking on your profile icon and by selecting it here. So let me go with that workspace. And let's assume that, for example, guys, I would like to star or bookmark a project because I deem it pretty important or consider it pretty important. So let me go with that one here. Click on it, and here at the top next to the given item's name, you will see a star icon, which will give you the opportunity to bookmark it. So click on it, and that is going to add the given project as a separate or under a separate category here on the sidebar under Start. So you may do that with tasks, for example, workspaces, and projects, and that way gain direct access to that start or bookmarked item here in the left panel. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.